That's not easy. Those truckers are heavy. 4 brand new Duracell 6-volt batteries. It'll give me 430 amp hours of battery power. Yeah, that happened. In the process of getting those new batteries, yeah, ended up ruining my pants because when I went to go pick up the batteries at from Sam's Club, courtesy Larry's helpfulness there, and I ended up picking up a cracked battery, and it spilled battery acid all over my pants, basically. Yeah, not fun. So I ended up having to get new pair of pants, and because I usually like to buy things in pairs, because I'm one of those people, I got another pair. But when I went to go pay for it, Larry's standing there, and he explained what happened, and the lady went, "Yeah, we should probably comp you another pair of pants." So I got a pair of pants for free out of it. So yeah, that happened. There's a whole bunch of stuff that arrived yesterday, and a whole bunch more stuff that'll arrive today, and throughout the remaining days. Like I said, the haul is coming. It is a ton of stuff, and yeah, that's gonna happen, or it is happening. I will show you the unboxing. You folks get to see the unboxing. The rest of the world does not. They will see those packages, when I install them. But you guys get to see the unboxing. Anyways, that is all the news that is fit to print today. Larry's out of here today. That's why gotta go close that door. That's why there's basically nothing happening today. Larry's got to go to, I think he's going to Columbia today to do a medical appointment. And yeah, so basically nothing is going to happen with the build today. I got a whole bunch of stuff that needs to happen. I need to shoot. I was supposed to start shooting the electrical episode today. That's not going to happen. Basically because some parts are not here yet. So that's not going to happen. But the fan episode is going to happen, and it's going to happen exactly where the car is right now. So, yeah. Anyways, that is all the news that is fit to print today, kiddies. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye.